Hello, welcome to Best Man Academy. I am Babajide Ojo. Friends call me Best Man. I started this channel because of the severe lack of information about the process of getting a graduate degree in the United States. Therefore, on this channel, I am going to use several short lessons to completely break down the process of getting admitted, setting yourself up for funding, and also survival tips when you eventually get into a graduate degree program here in the United States. So if this is something you would like to learn, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share this channel with your friends who might need the information here. For spontaneous tips, you may want to like the Best Man Academy page on Facebook and also follow me on other social media platforms. Following this channel means you will never have ignorance as an excuse not to get that graduate degree that you have dreamt of in the United States. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.